Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are back with video 2 as we bring the Bronze Beauty BMW back to life. Now, if you saw the first video, you saw just how terrible she looked. She was ugly. She had been sitting under a tree for who knows how long, and look how nicely she cleaned up. Look how nice. So we've got the outside looking pretty good right now. Today, we're venturing inside, but first, we got to glove up. Monkey, Wrench, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
This is what I'm dealing with. Yeah, take a look. A bajillion million ants all up and down her. And I'm seeing more and more little dents on the side. I still love her. She still looks good. But take a look at all these ants. They're going to get in the way as I bring this little girl back to life. Look at them. Look at those things. They're moving their eggs. Yep, these little guys know they are no longer welcome here in the car, so they've grabbed their eggs. See? But you guys are going the wrong way. You're supposed to be leaving, not moving to a different locale. Dadgummit. There's a little fight right there. Those two guys were fighting. Okay, we're going to open the door and we're going to clean up all of this stuff. You want to see how much work we have ahead of us? Oh. Yep. We're going to make these guys mad today because this all needs to be cleaned. All of this, back it up, needs to be cleaned. So the plan is we're going to vacuum out. Look at all of these things. Look at that. We're going to vacuum out all we can, including some ants. Hopefully we'll take the front seats out. And then we get to the deep clean. Yeah, this is going to be lots and lots of fun. You know what I haven't done yet? I haven't looked for anything interesting in the car. Let's do that. I got ants over here too. And I got a big spider web. Here. Okay, on this side of the car. That's horrible. Okay, we have a glove box. Let's see. Okay, we have a owner's manual. Whatever that is. Anti-theft. And I have a BMW. What is this? Oh! A cassette cleaner. Look at that. But I don't have a cassette anymore. How cool is this? Yeah, we're going to take the owner's manual. We'll be looking at that very, very soon. First, let's attack the car. Let's attack all of this dirt. Okay, that's the sun going down in the Oklahoma sky, and we are back because I had to quit. I couldn't handle all of the ants crawling all over my hiney. So we're gonna fog the crap out of this car. Yes, sir, Bob. We're gonna fog till we can't fog anymore. And I'm hoping all the ants are asleep. I hope they die peacefully and go to the ant heaven. But I just can't take it anymore. So I think I'm gonna put it right there. Yep, I think that's where it's gonna live. I don't think I can hurt the top. Look how gross that is. Okay, following the directions, you shake this up, point it away from the face, and then you let it rip, tater chip. So, let's see what happens. You ready? Here we go. Hold your breath, Mike. Okay, we're just gonna let that go. We're gonna kill all them ants. We are back the next day, and I gotta tell you, I've been able to get the seat out. That's some good news there. Okay, I had to look at the old seat, and there's two latches on each side of the rails, and the latch on this side was just stuck because the little wire going across from that rail to that rail was off, and so I couldn't unlatch it. So I stuck a screwdriver back in there and I got it off, and that is the passenger seat. But this is the result of my bug bomb. This little thing did so well. Okay, I didn't come out last night because I didn't really know what to expect. But if you look closely, look at this thing. Look at all of these ants. It's like the Battle of Gettysburg in here. Look at all these bodies just laying here. All these ants just dead as can be. I'm sorry. And you can see some of them were carrying eggs. I think maybe like right there. They were trying to save the colony. Somewhere in here, I hope I have the queen. I hope the queen is dead too. I hate to say that, guys, but look at this. Isn't that horrible? Oh, that's gross. That is gross. That's gross, definitely. And all of this is really, really, really gross. What I'm not seeing is a lot of rust. More than just little surface rust, okay? These bolts came out super easy. Super duper easy. But look. Sorry, fellas. You had to be sacrificed for my BMW E30. They even tried to hide in the... Oh, wait. We have a survivor. We have one survivor. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. I gotta do this, though. Ugh. We have 0 survivors. Okay? Let's take all this out, put the bolts in a bag, and we're going to vacuum all the bodies. We're going to dispose of the bodies. Making lots of progress so far. I know, still a disaster, but not with a capital D. Okay, Battle of Gettysburg has been completely cleaned up. I've already made 43 cents. 43 cents on the deal so far, and a screw and a tab. I want to show you this little guy I found under the seat. I don't really know what he is, but look. What is that? He's kind of cool. Kind of space alien-y. Yeah. Okay, now, I don't know what's under the dash. You want to find out with me? Because I got to get rid of it. Because I got to clean that too. Or get a dash cap, which is what I'm thinking about doing if this car turns out to be what I think it is. So let's just kind of, it's just held on with tape. Come on, let go. There we go. Okay. Well, we got some cracks. No major chunks though. Let me put this over here. Here. You can sit on top with all your little friends. Okay. The dash. I don't like this crack. I don't like that one. Okay, we're gonna have to look into a dash cap if this car turns out to be what I think it is. Okay, that's how it's held on. Little Velcro stick tape. That's a good size crack. That's a medium crack right there. But everything else looks good. Wish I had a faceplate for the radio, the mystery radio. We'll have to replace that. You get to sit right there. You're gonna watch over the car for me, okay, little green dude? I don't know what you are, but I think you're cool. Cool. All right, we have removed the trunk liner as well. Saw Black Widow, smashed that. This was sitting against the back fender well. This is your old school jack. It literally went just like that and it was held in place. We can paint that and make that beautiful again. This is your wheel chuck right there. Yep. Just in case you're on a hill when you got to change your tire. I don't have a spare. There's no spare in there, but I have lots of cleaning that I can do. So we're going to vacuum this out and maybe clean out the tracks because I forgot to do that when I was washing the car. I was so excited. I haven't cleaned out the tracks here for that. And then I'll probably wash it again because I'm so happy with this car. Trunk is looking really good. Look how beautimous that is. We've made a discovery though. She's a little bulgy right here. So apparently somebody tried to jack her up or something. I haven't looked. This is why I haven't looked underneath because, ugh. This is grody back under here. But, okay, we're going off tripod. Off tripod. Let me show you. Nothing major. There we go. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. There it is. Okay. Not a big deal. I can pound that out easily. But if we kind of look around, there is some rust here. No big problem there. But I haven't even looked under the car yet. There's your first look. The world's first look under the world's ugliest, dirtiest BMW E30. Yeah, we'll go under the car in a couple of videos. I gotta order some parts. I also want to, let's do that. Let's take a sniff test. You wanna smell what the gas is like? If there's even, I don't even know if there's any in here. I don't have a battery for the car yet, but this is the, of course, where you put the gas in, and I haven't opened it. I literally have not opened it. Let's try it and just kind of see what's gonna happen. All right, here we go. What? That's not bad. Hey, I've had much worse. Let me open this. That is not too bad at all. It's not like a varnishy smell. It's more like a gasoline-y smell. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to order some parts, because as I've been listening and reading all of these comments, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. Stay there. Everyone says don't even try to start the engine until you look at the timing belt. Don't even turn over the engine until you look at the timing belt. And to get to the timing belt, radiator comes out, the hoses come off. Of course, your belts come off, and it's not a chain, it's a belt, and they're not that expensive. But getting to them, this is kind of a little access port, but all this has to come off. Your distributor, your fan, your radiator, all that stuff has to come. No! No! No, I got fresh poo! That is not cool. Okay, there's a mouse in my house. And by house, I mean this. Or over here. Because I haven't even posted the video yet, but I had my 560 SEL parked over here for just a couple of days. A mouse went nuts inside that thing, and I am so pissed off. And I know that's him because I recognize the poo. Look at that, same poo. All right, the mouse must die. There's your radiator. All right, if you guys would let me know, I can't even see under here yet, and I'm holding this with my head because the trunk won't stay open, but I definitely need belts. So I think what I'm gonna do is order belts, a timing belt replacement kit, some hoses, spark plugs, and I think that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna try to find one of these, a new one of those. A little cover for my fuses. But let's investigate the water pump, see what we need to order. We're gonna order some parts, and we're gonna kill a mouse, because that makes me really mad. Look at that sun. Oh my God, I'm gorgeous. Yeah, all right, no, I'm kidding. Hey everybody, I wanna say thanks for all of the support on the E330. This is gonna be a fun little build. This is my second video. The first one was number 2 for the channel for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, 22 hours and thousands of views. Love it, love it, love it. But I continue to need some guidance. Let me know what you think I should do. I know there are dash caps available. I just don't want to get too far into this and then realize the engine is toast. So maybe I should focus on the parts and seeing if the engine will actually move first. How close do you want to be? Can you see the pores? Ugh. And then see if we can, get the engine to turn at least before we try to start it. Maybe that should be our next video. I don't know. Let me know. I have a lot of BMW experts commenting and leaving me notes and guidance and advice, and I certainly appreciate it. Okay, everybody? Thanks for watching video 2 of who knows how many as we continue to get the Bronze Beauty Beamer back on the road. Bye. Yeah, I got my eyes closed because I can't see where I'm pointing. Yeah, the sun's so bright. I need shades.